In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT prompt secrets, 5 ways to get smarter, faster answers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to ask for what you need, so you spend less time editing and more time using high-quality results. First, be specific with your prompts. Clarity is everything. Tell the model what topic you're focused on, the format you want, the tone, and even the ideal length. Instead of saying, "Explain marketing," try, "Explain digital marketing strategies for small e-commerce businesses in 150 words with examples." That extra detail gives direction, reduces vague outputs, and improves accuracy. You can also mention the audience or constraints like "for beginners" or "with simple language," so the response lands exactly where you need it. Next, assign a role or context. Ask the model to act as a particular expert so it draws from the right style and domain knowledge. For example, act as a Shopify expert and suggest ways to increase conversion rates. This frames the response, nudging it toward tactics and vocabulary that match your scenario. You can add a setting, like a budget level or industry, to sharpen relevance even more. Then, use step-by-step instructions. When your request feels complex, break it into actions so the result has a logical flow. For instance, create an outline, then expand each section into a paragraph. You're guiding the structure, which helps ensure completeness and reduces the chance of missing pieces. Think of it like giving the model a checklist to follow from start to finish. After that, provide examples or input data. Samples are shortcuts to style and quality. If you want a particular voice, paste a short example and say, "Match this tone." If you want to rewrite, give the source text and a target style. Rewrite this paragraph in a professional tone. Text. Concrete inputs help the model mirror your expectations, from formatting to readability. Finally, refine with follow-ups. Treat prompting as iterative. Once you see the first draft, ask for changes. Make it shorter. Add examples, or simplify language. You can request a different structure, more actionable steps, or clearer headings. Each round steers the output closer to your goal, and it's often faster than trying to perfect a single giant prompt. To bring it all together, combine these techniques in one message. Set the role, specify format and tone, outline the steps, include an example or data, and then iterate. With these 5 moves, you'll consistently get smarter, faster answers that are ready to use.